Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And hey, we don't have a meme stock. I'm going to take a look at AMC, but have to show you this one. So GTT has had a really, really good run. Okay, so you saw what it did yesterday. This is what it did yesterday. Had a huge run yesterday, and at the beginning of the day, so I mean it closed what at 253, and at the beginning of the day, it ran all the way up to 474. I have to thank our pal in our YouTube room, Ija. He pointed this one out yesterday and thought it could keep running. And it did. It did. It broke through the 200-day moving average. But then the AI said, you know what? I think this should be a short. And so look what happened. The AI said, let's short this at 465. And this is continuing down to 320 at this point. And just to prove to you that, there was the short at 465, 31% right now. I also want to just show you BlackBerry. BlackBerry got stopped out at the very beginning, tried a short also at the very, very beginning, got stopped out for $1. But look at the re-entry, 1713, and now this is at 1455. Let me just bring up the BlackBerry chart. Okay, and you'll see what happened. There's the BlackBerry chart. I mean, pretty. And so all I'm saying is that if you have the AI, do yourself a favor and put the reentry time and reentry price and the reentry stop price in, because sometimes the AI is a little early in. Now this happened to be a short, early in their short, but man, I mean, it turned around and there was your reentry, which is just halfway between the entry price and the stop. Happens to be 1713. Gave you another opportunity to short that stock, and man, I mean, what a short it turned out to be. But the GTT, that was not a reentry. That was right from the get-go. There you go. And it is still moving down. Now, just a word, AMC, I'm not in this anymore. I actually did trade it a little bit when it broke over 50. Sorry, I guess in this level here, when it broke over 50 again, I got out of all my AMC. Now it's coming back. It is coming back. It's an amazing story, especially since the company themselves put out a pretty, damning report and basically said you could lose all your money if you're going to trade AMC. And that's coming from the company itself. I think they sold 11 million shares. So I mean that's what you call transparency. But anyway, it's been a wild run. BlackBerry actually, for me, I held this one. I actually took this one. I usually only talk about one stock, but I actually held this one. I traded this one yesterday, and I traded out some. I held it overnight, and look what happened, and I got out of it. But man, oh man, these meme stocks, I mean, they're just very exciting to trade, but you've got to be very, very, very careful. All right, everybody, I want to get back into this trading room. So any questions you may have for me, this is the email address, the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope everybody has a great evening and hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.